At the left side, we can see Mundo Novo cultivar. It is normal stature plant of Arabica coffee. It is a traditional cultivar, susceptible to rust disease, majority of disease and parasites. At the other side, we can see one interspecific hybrid between coffee Arabica and coffee racemosa. A small leaves plant is interspecific hybrid. This plant is found a source of resistance to drought, high temperature in the leaf miner. This plant is triploid. Also, maturity occur in April. April is super precoce, super early plant. We are selecting to harvest coffee first cultivar to harvest in Paraná state. Normally we harvest coffee in June, July, and August. But with this cultivar, we can harvest in May or in April. Now, better coffee region for gourmet coffee, high quality coffee, in high altitude where it's very cool. Then in this place, we need super early maturing cultivar as this interspecific hybrid. This is first generation, but we have four heterocrosses for coffee Arabica with genes of coffee racemosa. That is more adapted to drought, high temperature, and frost. E also for leaf miner. Okay.
Ela é cruzamento de quê?
This is crossing between coffee racemosa, that is coffee species, wild species of Madagascar, where is a country very hot and very drought area. Coffee racemosa with coffee Arabica. Ok, podemos ir.
Very hot.
In right side, we can see how is planted coffee in a density crop system. A density, tá correto?
High density or a density.
A density, okay.
High density.
Okay, 2.5 meters between rows is semi-density, but mechanizable spacing. But it is necessary the pruning each 2 or 3 years to maintain high productivity, quality, and mechanization. This is a system that is low pruning system. This is a system that we call como chama? Esqueletamento. We call esqueletamento. Skeleton planning, okay?
Skeleton pruning.
Skeleton pruning.
Lateral pruning.
Or lateral planning. Lateral planning. Ou lateral não é português? Skeleton, tá bom. Esqueletamento. Vamos falar esqueletamento.
Lateral.
Lateral. Okay. Lateral. Okay. Lateral is more easy. Lateral planning, but and low pruning in high, né? And then this system we have 8,000 plants, 80,000 plants per hectare. Normally we have 2,000 plants per hectare. 80,000 plants per hectare, if 2 years after we produce 3 liters, 3 or 4 liters per plant, we have 40,000 liters per hectare. That is 8 bags of cream coffee per hectare per year. It's a high production, very high production. Then in this system, frost, no, it is not a problem, no more problem for Paraná state. We have in this year frost, but this frost is very weak frost. And normally each 12 years we have a very strong frost. This year is for a very strong frost, but frost is very light. Okay. If we have very strong frost, how we have 8,000 or 10,000 plants per hectare, our recovery is very fast. Recovery in 2 years. Normally, coffee produce only each 2 years. High production is only each 2 years. Then, frost, it is not problem for high density coffee system in Paraná state. Okay, have here IAPAR 59 cultivar irradiated in Japan. We irradiated in 1995 in Japan. Seeds of IAPAR 59 in Ibaraki Radiation Breeding Institute of Japan. At the left we have IAPAR 59 irradiate with 30 kilo red irradiation, gamma irradiation. Second row is 20 kilo red. Third row is 10 kilo red, and the fourth is zero irradiation. Then objective research is to induce mutation, for example, for early maturing cultivar, early maturing plant, male sterility plant to get hybrid cultivar, resist to nematode, more vigor, or several traits possible by mutation. Induced mutation is a chronic mutation by gamma radiation. Okay, at the left side, we can see other cultivar, resistant cultivar. This is Icatu cultivar. Is interspecific between Coffea canephora and Coffea arabica. But this normal plant, high stature plant, 2.5 meters between rows, then it is impossible harvest or apply the fertilizing protection against diseases and pests. It is necessary pruning this coffee crop to renewal, né? To return to production normally in a density system. Okay. Pode seguir. 107 and IPR 106. IPR 106 is one of the better nematode resistance of cultivar of the world. Resistant to six races or species of nematode meloidogenic. We can see here comparison between susceptible and resistant cultivar to frost. Let's go here. Please. Okay. We have here seed field of IPR 107. That is completely resistant and durable resistance to rust. That is very difficult in the world, because rust resistance, it is not durable. Normally it is not durable, but this cultivar is resistant for more than 30 years. 30 years resistant. Normally is 5 or 10 years la resistance stay resistant normal. But this is almost an exception. Here we have Mundo Novo cultivar. Mundo Novo é traditional cultivar, tall, high stature cultivar, susceptible to rust disease. It is excellent cultivar, high productivity, very good in quality, cap quality. And here we have rust resistant cultivar, but effect of frost is very strong in this case, because we have high production in this year. If we have high production, frost effect is very strong, because of nutrition of high production plant is very bad. There we have Catuai cultivar. Catuai cultivar is the better cultivar of the world. More widely planted cultivar in Brazil. That is susceptible to rust disease, is very late in ripening. That a harvest time is August. Mundo Novo harvest time is June. IAPAR 59 also in June. June it is better than harvest in August, because normally the frost occur in June and July. Then cultivar that harvest in June, it is not problem frost, because in June the maturation ended and the harvest occurred. Sir, okay. Damage on the fruit of the year is 0. And late maturing cultivar, the damage is high, 8% of damage. In this case, it's 20%, almost nothing. Okay, but the advantage of Mundo Novo cultivar, early maturing cultivar, and rust disease resistant cultivar is separated. The better is the join together two traits. Okay. Then we have IPRs 107 that crosses two cultivars. It is in F5 generation. It's a line type cultivar that is more vigorous, more productive. Okay. More productive, rust resistant, early maturing in the large fruits. Radicular system also is better. Okay. Next visit is IPR 106, that is resist to nematode, but only 5 minutes. 5 minutes, please. Resistant cultivar tupi, resistant to rust. A dwarf cultivar. Second plane, we can go rust susceptible cultivar as Mundo Novo, Catuai. rust, defoliation, the frost became frost susceptible. The damage of frost is very high. Then this part is F2 cultivar. It is a new cultivar that we have 30% heterosis. F2 with 30% heterosis. That is 30% more productive than lineage type cultivar. 30% more productive, 30% more vigorous. This is a cultivar of future, because 30% yield, 30% more production per hectare. It is possible produce coffee with quality, better coffee quality, and more profit for all the farmers. Okay.
Por que tem duas plantas por cova?
Yes, here, entende português, inglês?
Sim.
Okay. Here we have coffee plant system. It is in first month after planting. We have a few rains. We have drought. Then young plants, we need irrigation. This irrigation system by gotejamento. Como chama gotejamento? Drop system irrigation. Consumption of water is half, 50%. And the two plants, why? Because it's experiment. We have hybrids, selections. Then we have homogeneity. We have experiment. We plant two plants per hole. After 3 or 6 months, we eliminate one plant to.
But both are the same variety, or they're different?
Same variety or hybrid or selection.
I see.
But we have difference between plants because of a nutritional problem or several other problems as disease.
Thank you.
We can compare the production vigor. Then we don't have difference because of nutrition or other problems. Only difference, genetic difference. Ok?
Qual é a linhagem do 52? Qual é a genética dele?
59. Ok. IAPAR 59 is of germoplasma sarchimor. Is hybrid Tumoro hybrid crossed with cultivar Vila Sarchi de coffee arábica do tipo Bourbon type. Is different of Catimor, né? Catimor is crossing with other branch of the hybrid Tumoro. Hybrid Tumoro in market, in world market, a discussion about the cup quality. Catimor. But Sarchimor, almost all lines or selections of Sarchimor is winner of the cup quality concourse.
Tupi é Catimor, né?
Tupi é Sarchimor.
Sarchimor.
Isso. Obatã é Sarchimor e a IAPAR 59 is Sarchimor. IPR 98 also is Sarchimor. Majority of Sarchimor germoplasma is the good cup quality. Good or excellent cup quality. I am coffee farmer, small coffee farmer. I get first is champion of Paraná State concourse of quality coffee. Majority of cultivar of concourse of coffee quality, 70% is IAPAR 59. Almost 20% is Obatã. Almost 10% is Catuai. In Paraná it is so. Very good question.
Sorry, 20% is?
Obatã.
20% is Obatã. Obatã is also Sarchimor germoplasma. It is a hybrid Timor, but is the better crossing. Vila Sarchi crossed by hybrid Timor, but more vigorous hybrid Timor, and more genes of rust resistance. Sarchimor have the genes of resistance of new race, new rust race of India, that is break down the majority of rust resistant cultivars in the world. Okay. Assim, this is one leguminous plant for green manual plant. First year we plant qual que é isso? Peanuts.
Horse peanuts.
Horse peanut. Ah, cavalo peanut. Horse peanut. Okay. It is very good because to control weeds, né? Control weeds, control erosion, and control of nematodes. It also is green manure. Very excellent green manure.
Erosão. Como é que chama o negócio?
Nematóide e fixando.
Amendoim bravo.
Amendoim cavalo.
Amendoim cavalo.
Horse. Okay. More question?
Não é?
Não?
Ok.
Amendoim bravo é outro?
Ok, podemos ir para frente.
Qual a função dele?
At left side, you can see a field of coffee crop of IPR 106, 2.5 meters between rows. This is nematode resistant cultivar. It's very late maturing cultivar, very big size fruits, and very good for the hot regions. Hot regions, it is necessary late cultivars and big fruits. At the right side we can see IPRs 107. This next is IPR IAPAR 59 cultivar. It is small dwarf cultivar. IPR 106 is big dwarf cultivar. But IAPAR 59 is small dwarf cultivar. It is better for high dense crop system.